Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something we all do almost daily, using a debit card. But have you ever stopped to think about what really happens behind the scenes, especially in 2025 when technology has made everything faster and more secure? Let's break it down step by step. First off, when you swipe, tap, or insert your debit card at a store, it starts a chain reaction. Your card has a chip or contactless feature that sends your account details to the payment terminal. In 2025, this process is super quick thanks to advanced tech like NFC and biometric verification, making it almost instantaneous. Next, the terminal encrypts your information and sends it to your bank's network. This is where things get interesting. Your bank receives the request and checks if you have enough funds in your account. With AI-powered systems in 2025, this verification happens in milliseconds, flagging any suspicious activity like unusual spending patterns to prevent fraud. Once approved, the bank authorizes the transaction, and the merchant's system confirms it. At that point, the money is deducted from your account and transferred to the seller. But here's a cool twist for 2025. Many transactions use blockchain for added security, ensuring your data is tamper-proof and transactions are transparent. Of course, it's not all smooth sailing. Risks like skimming or online breaches still exist, so always use cards with EMV chips and enable two-factor authentication. Plus, with the rise of digital wallets, you might not even need a physical card anymore. Your phone could handle it all with facial recognition. In summary, using a debit card in 2025 is a blend of convenience and cutting-edge security. Remember, staying informed helps you use it wisely. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech explanations, and drop a comment below on your debit card experiences. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.